In this video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up a business PayPal account. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your internet browser and head to paypal.com/business. This will take you directly to the PayPal business page. Once there, click on the Sign Up button. Next, fill in your personal details, including your first name, last name, phone number, and email address. Then create a secure password for your account. After reviewing the terms and conditions, click on Agree and Create Account. PayPal will then send a one-time verification code to the phone number you provided. Choose to either receive the code via text or call, enter the code when prompted, and hit Submit. Once verified, you'll be redirected to the PayPal website. Click Let's Go, scroll down, and select Business. From the drop-down menu, pick the type of business you own, then click Provide Info. On the next page, you'll need to provide detailed business information. This includes your business name, company registration number, and the date your business was incorporated. Complete all required fields and click Provide Info to finalize the process. PayPal will then review your application, which typically takes up to 3 business days. Once approved, you'll receive a notification and your PayPal business account will be ready to use. That's all it takes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.